Hello, it's George at Suprema. You'd normally hear me on the phones, but I'm doing an unboxing video for you all today. We're going to be unboxing all of the X-Station 2 devices with QR code, with Fingerprint Reader and standalone. So I've got the X-Station 2 fingerprint version in front of me. They are all in exactly the same box, just with different branding on the front, but we'll go through the X-Station 2 with the Fingerprint Reader first. So with the X-Station 2 fingerprint version, all of these devices are all PoE rated. And also IP rated, so that you can install them outside. The fingerprint module is an attached module on the bottom, but it does come pre-built into the device, so each device is its own version, kind of. They all come with a braided cable at the very back of the device, and that has the gasket on the back just so that it is IP rated. Comes with a PoE cable, so standard network, Cat5. RS485 for if you want to attach any slave readers. Wiegand cables for if you want to attach to other systems such as Paxton or Genetec. Actual relay wires so that like all of our readers, it can control the device itself. And then input cables for either a door sensor or an exit button. With all of the X-Station 2s, they are all standalone devices. They can either be connected via network or completely on their own. Because of the relay cable on the back, you can set them up with a mag lock or a strike lock and an input or output. They do also feature a Scramble Pad on all of the devices so that whenever you type in a PIN as for a user, it won't appear as a standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers will be scrambled around the screen just so that there is someone looking over the back of your shoulder. They won't be able to just say, oh yeah, it's in the left position or the right position, which is quite a good security feature. And then because of the PoE, you don't need any actual alternate power supplies. You can completely power them via a network switch. So within the box, we'll have the open source software license, just so that if you do want any integration options, you can come to us and ask, and we'll give you directions or code. You have the actual device itself, along with the bracket to attach it to the wall. Again, braided cables on all of the devices. And then you'll actually have the install kit, which includes screws for the actual bracket, a resistor for the power, and then a terminator resistor for the actual RS485. And then you will also have this Ferrite Ring. The Ferrite Ring is a good idea if you ever install the Wiegand wires. Just if you're doing it over large distances, there can be quite a lot of interference. So the Ferrite Ring reduces interference on any of the wires, basically. And we do also include shrink wrap tubing, just so that it's easier to install the wires onto pre-existing wires. So that was the X-Station 2 device. Just did a small unboxing video for you and a few of the main features. Bye today.